Grabbing this overflow hose. Just gonna pull this off of there, set it aside. Let's go ahead and remove this ground wire right here. Get that ground wire out of the way. Now we need to lift this up. Looking down in between the reservoir and the actual battery itself, you're going to be able to see that there's a tab. If you can get down in there with a pry bar or even a long screwdriver, just kind of pull on that a little bit to separate the two, and then go ahead and lift up. There we are. Let's go ahead and put in our reservoir. We got the area where it needs to slide in. That's going to go into this area along here. Slide it right down, listen for it to click, and then give it a nice tug. Pull the hose off of this, set that aside. Now we're just going to go ahead and put it onto the brand new one here. Slides right on. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and put on our ground wire, and then snug it up. Let's go ahead and put that overflow hose right onto the radiator. Okay friends, all you have left to do now is go ahead and fill up your overflow to the maximum line.